So I'm delivering. I am Carrie Little with Smart Girl Media, smartgirlmedia.com if you want to follow my blog. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Cloud CMA and Cloud Streams to leverage their landing pages. If you're already using these products, hopefully you've figured out that there are landing pages. If you haven't, in Cloud CMA, under Settings, top right hand corner, when you click on Settings, every agent on this black navigational toolbar, the last option has Lead Gen. Lead Gen gives you the ability to share your link, and the link is attached to you, no one else, called What's My Home Worth. So I can take this link, put it in my email signature, share it on social media. I can also use HTML code and embed the code on my website. Really easy to do. So I can take this link, copy it, and then go to Facebook and simply say something. And I could just say something like, click now to find out what your home is worth in, and I live in a city called West Chicago, so West Chicago, Illinois. And then I can paste that link. Once you paste the link, you will have a clickable link at the bottom, and it's up to you if you want to leave this link here. I always say get rid of the link if you can, because the link is already added to your post here. The other thing you could do is you could change the image. So if you don't want everyone to see you right away, you could add a different image. So really easy to do. And once you publish this and someone clicks on your link, they'll be redirected to your What's My Home Worth landing page. Really simple, really easy to do. If the consumer comes to What's My Home Worth and they put in their property address, so this is a house that has a story, so I like to use it. And then when I put in the address, and let's pretend like I'm the consumer, as soon as the consumer clicks on that magnifying glass, the consumer can get the report or What's My Home Worth. And they won't really get a true listing price or a suggested price. They will get, they'll get a suggested price based on their marketplace, but it's up to you as an agent to have that conversation. And you can also choose what they get before you actually share this landing page, and I'll show you how to do that. So the consumer must put in their name and email, and as soon as the consumer clicks email my report, they'll receive a report via email. Now, if you go back to Cloud CMA and you click on CMA, you'll notice that I have a Carrie's What's My Home Worth default. So if you have your cell phone out, or if you want to pause the video, I actually created a generic CMA, and under Customize, I turned off most of the pages because I didn't want to give them a value. And over to the left, if you're not using Cloud CMA, these are pages you can add simply by using that drop down arrow and clicking the plus sign. And these are pages you can turn off, or you can change the order. So what I did was I turned off most of the pages, left under listing details, just the details. I gave you a summary of the comparables, but I really didn't give you the analysis and the suggested list price. So I would take a picture of this and consider building something simple. This way, when the consumer gets it, you're not giving them everything. So it's like, why do I need to call you if I'm going to give you the cow? So make it simple. And then every time I create something new in Cloud CMA, so in this case, I built a quick CMA for someone. And once I'm finished, I would go back to Carrie's What's My Home Worth default, click edit, and then I do like to refetch the listings only because I think it helps recycle everything through. And then I would click publish. Once you click publish, whatever you publish last becomes your default, not the listings that are in that previous CMA, but the default pages. So when the consumer uses your link and they click What's My Home Worth and they fill this out, they will only get those pages plus the details near their property. So if I click edit, and this is called a report card, they'll get a quick and dirty CMA based on proximity from their home. Really easy. Try it, use it. It does work. You will get a lead in your email. Now, Cloud Streams is another product by W&R Studios. If you go to your account and click Settings, top right-hand corner, and you over to your left is where you find lead generation. Every agent gets their own lead generation landing page for buyers. Now this one works a little bit different. In Cloud CMA, you were able to see under Settings and then Lead Gen, I have an option to automatically share to Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. That option is not here. So this one you will have to copy. You will have to go back to your social media account, and then you will have to say something. So I could simply say, warning, renting is hazardous to your wealth. Invest in your future. How about start the buying process now? Click below. And then I paste that long link. And once I paste it, remember, I don't have to keep this link because it's automatically added to the post. And I happen to like this picture, so I would leave it. And then I might use hashtags just to kind of get more activity. And then I would publish it. And the same thing happens with the Cloud Streams page. When the consumer clicks, takes them to your landing page looking for the perfect home with the fastest listing alerts directly from the MLS. So basically when the consumer puts in their email address here, this is my junk email. Feel free to email me here, but I might not respond for a long time. Let's find the perfect home. I'll email you soon, and then once I get the email, I can set up a system on Cloud Streams. So I'll go back to the dashboard, top right-hand corner, and I can create a new stream for them, or I can do self-serve and let the client pick it. And I found that the next generation buyer likes this because they can set up their own searches and receive a text message anytime something comes on that's new. So let's review. Log into Cloud CMA, click on Settings in the top right-hand corner, then click on Lead Generation and use your link, What's My Home Worth? Again, if you get stuck, they have videos too. And Cloud Streams, same thing. Click on your account, top right-hand corner, Settings, Lead Generation over to the left, and copy your landing page. The landing page is branded to you. Notice when you scroll down, you do also have the option for the consumer to sign up on your website if you're using the HTML code. And just one more tip, this is my actual real estate page. So I am a licensed real estate agent in Illinois. I just happen to also train. So if you were to go to my website and notice over to the left, bottom left, it says find out what your home is worth in Northern Illinois. If you click the What's My Home Worth button, it takes you to my landing page. I'm Carrie Little, Smart Girl Media, smartgirlmedia.com. Start using landing pages today.